Kahoot, interactive educational platform, an effective tool for teachers. Kahoot is an interactive educational platform that enables the creation, sharing, and playing of online quiz games. It was designed to enhance student and participant engagement through creative and interactive learning methods. Kahoot can be used in schools, universities, businesses, and various events where there is a need to assess knowledge or engage participants. Kahoot is a free online tool that functions as an application or website where users create quizzes. Ready-made interactive quizzes, surveys, and tests can be successfully used by educators in their lessons. To utilize this tool in face-to-face classes, a teacher needs a computer and a projector or a board to display questions and answers. The teacher creates a quiz, called a Kahoot, containing questions and answers. Participants join the game using a unique access code. Questions are displayed on the screen, and participants respond using their mobile devices. The scoring and ranking are visible in real time, enhancing competitiveness. The short time to answer makes the game dynamic and exciting. Kahoot integrates learning with elements of fun, making the learning process attractive and engaging. The platform allows teachers to track students' progress, identify areas for improvement, and adjust the teaching curriculum. Access to the platform is possible by logging into the Kahoot website or through the mobile application. Users can create personalized quiz games tailored to their educational needs. Kahoots can be applied to all subjects and educational levels, for example, as a review of previous lessons or lectures, as exercises to enhance grammar knowledge or understanding of spoken text in foreign languages, summarizing the current lesson or lecture, and also gathering opinions on the discussed topic, etc. Kahoot has been in operation since September 2013. Since the platform's launch, over 10 billion users from 200 countries have benefited from it. Kahoot provides inspiring educational experiences to people worldwide, in the classroom, at work, and at home. Kahoot is already recognized in Poland, with 15 million registered active players, including 1.5 million students. Let's once again highlight the benefits of using Kahoot. Among the most significant advantages are increased engagement and motivation to learn, the ability to track participants' progress, and accessibility across various platforms. Discover how Kahoot can positively impact the learning process and student interaction. Create an account on Kahoot. If you haven't done so already, register on the Kahoot website. You can create a teacher account, allowing you to create and manage Kahoots. To use Kahoot for teaching students, follow the steps below. In the search engine, type the word Kahoot and select the link to the Kahoot portal. The platform is currently available in Polish. If you have never used this application before, click on Zarejestrujcie, register, to create your account. If you have already created an account, choose the Zaloguj, login option. If you have a Gmail account, the simplest solution is to choose Continue z Google, continue with Google. You won't have to remember new logins or passwords. The login details will be the same as your Gmail account. If you are creating a teacher account, choose Teacher. Students will select the account type, Student. In the next step, select your workplace. It could be, for example, school or higher education, depending on your workplace. If you need ready-made materials, after logging in, you can search for available Kahoots in the library. Enter the topic that interests you and click on the magnifying glass or press enter. Now you can see all the results. The less popular the topic, the fewer the results will be. If you are using materials created by other users, it's a good idea to browse through the available courses, quizzes. Before using a particular material, check the correctness of the answers. If you are satisfied with the material, click Start. If you want to use the quiz in real time, during a class in person or online, choose the Live option. You can also assign the material as homework for independent study by students. If you want to create your own material, click the Create button and then Kahoot to begin creating your own quiz. We have several options available. Creating your own Kahoot from scratch. 1. Using ready-made templates. 2. Creating your own materials. 3. Using artificial intelligence. We can add questions and answers to our Kahoot. We can choose different types of questions, such as multiple choice questions, true, false questions, puzzles, and more. We can customize the appearance and options of our Kahoot by adding images, music, a time limit for answers, and many other settings. After creating the Kahoot, you can share it with your students. You can do this by providing them with a link to the Kahoot or an access code. Students will be able to join the game using their devices. We can provide students with a PIN code so they can join the game. Students don't need to log in to participate in the classic game. Once all students join, you can start the game. Kahoot will display questions on the screen, and students will answer using their devices. After finishing the game, Kahoot provides results that allow you to assess how well the material was understood. You can also share the results with the students. Kahoot incorporates elements of gameplay and competition, making learning fun. Utilize this platform to engage your audience and make your classes more interesting. Kahoot can be used for reviewing material, checking knowledge, conducting quizzes, competitions, or even creating your own presentations. Remember that Kahoot is a tool that can be used both in person in the classroom and remotely, making it very flexible in various teaching scenarios. Everyone, regardless of age, enjoys various kinds of games, which is why tools based on play are the most engaging and motivating for learning. Discover how Kahoot can positively impact the learning process and interaction with participants.